Right, so here's the product of the efforts so far, which basically is a whole day. But I have now definitely gone a little bit sloppier, but I'm working a little bit faster as well. And this is tacked everything, so I need to just put everything, there you go. So this is everything now tacked in place. And I just need to take this piece out, and this is just as close as I can make it to the original piece, and hopefully you can get an idea of what it is. So now I just need to seam weld everything and then grind excesses and all of that, make it into effectively one piece, which will just slot in there. Come on, focus, focus, focus there, focus there. Good. So it's a piece that will slot in there and then will be welded onto everything, which is as close as I can get to the original shape. So just for reference, that's the original shape there. That's the original shape. This is the shape that I have made with multiple pieces. And I'm going to finish off welding all of that together, grind it, weld, paint it, and hopefully it will look a lot more similar once I'm finished. Right, so this is the panel now with some weld-through primer, and it's located in place, and there is only one only one magnet holding it, and you can see it's a very, very close match, so welding it shouldn't be a problem. So this is what it's going to end up with. I may need to just adjust it slightly, but then it will be welded onto here as well. So top, around, then around there, and then at the bottom here, and that will be something that I can then weld onto the backing plate in a bit, but from the inside. So I'm just going to weld that, and that will be probably the hardest part of this job, unless I find something more awkward. So I'm going to switch off the camera so that I don't damage the lens with the sparks, and we'll then revisit once it's welded. Right, and here we have the end result. It's now welded almost all the way through. Anyway, it's definitely welded where I'm going to show for now, because I have not welded along the line on the bottom, because, well, I don't want to, since I'm going to cut the other side and then rebuild it later. But yeah, so a full seam all along everywhere, and this is now not going anywhere, and it's definitely going to give all of the strength required to the bottom here.